Are you looking for the best exercise mats? In this video we will look at some of the best exercise mats on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, SPRI Hanging Exercise Mat. If you want extra thickness in your workout mat, but want something a bit more portable than the last item on our list, then check out the SPRI Hanging Exercise Mat. When we say cushy, it is thicker than your normal yoga mat, by far. It also lays flat, as it's designed to be hung on the wall or from a hanging rack, so it's not rolled up when not in use. Despite being so thick, it's still quite lightweight. If you want the best workout mat that is thick, comfortable, and portable all packed into one package, then the SPRI is an excellent option. No matter if you want to use it for yoga, Pilates, stretches, or bodyweight exercises, you'll find that this mat does an excellent job of keeping your body protected from hard surfaces, while adding cushiness. At number 2, CAMBIVO Extra Thick, Large Yoga Mat. Perhaps you're having trouble finding an exercise mat that's big enough for you, or the routines you do. Sure, you could purchase multiple mats, but that never works out the way it should. If you need an all-encompassing cardio mat, check out the CAMBIVO Large Yoga Mat. It's one of the best mats for a home gym where your workouts involve cardio and you require more space. This mat is not the thickest out there, but it definitely gets the job done. It's made of foam that's non-slip on both sides, tear-resistant, and waterproof. These are all safety features that also make the mat longer lasting. Due to its size, we were a bit worried about how portable it was. We soon realized this wouldn't be an issue, thanks to the inclusion of the handy travel bag. You also receive 2 carry straps if those are easier for you, as well as a towel to wipe down the mat. If you don't need something this large, though, do yourself a favor and opt for a smaller one. The size is great, but you don't want to carry around something larger than you need. At number 3, yes, for all interlocking exercise foam tiles. These interlocking tiles aren't your standard exercise mat. Each tile is 2 feet square and they fit together like puzzle pieces to fit the exact space you have. Just 30 tiles could cover your entire gym floor. And as if you didn't already think these are the best exercise mats for small to medium-sized home gyms, they are both waterproof and noise-reducing. If your gym is above another room in your home, you can make it just a little quieter for others. The price is pretty affordable when you consider that just 30 tiles will cover approximately 120 square feet. This is generous considering the size of most home gyms. They are also a breeze to lay down in any configuration you need. Just start at one corner of the space you wish to cover and keep adding pieces. Line up the interlocking edge and press one down onto the other until the top is smooth and you'll barely notice a seam. If you ever want to move your gym, reconfigure it, or perhaps you need the space for something else for a while, just pick up all the tiles, stack them up, and store them away until you need them again. At number 4, Yoga Design Lab Exercise Yoga Mat. If you're into hot yoga, or just find yourself sweating a lot, you know how slippery and uncomfortable it can be to have the wrong exercise mat. What you need is a stable, supportive mat that can offer that extra grip. Thanks to the unique design of the combo mat from Yoga Design Lab, you'll essentially get a mat and towel all in one. Coming in an array of gorgeous colors and artistic patterns, you won't need to worry about yours getting lost or mistaken for someone else's. The mat is the most eco-friendly we've come across, as it's made of suede microfiber, of plastic bottles, bonded to a natural tree rubber base. It's incredibly absorbent and luxurious feeling, thanks to the substantial cushioning. It's one of the best fitness mats that's also easy to take anywhere and comes with user-friendly straps, so all you have to do is roll it up and go. At number 5, Giantex Folding Gymnastics Mat. This Giantex offering is another ultra-thick fitness mat, much like the first item on our list. If you need one for various activities like MMA, other martial arts, Pilates, and more intense activities, then don't skip this one. This mat is one of the few that provides an exceptional amount of resistance. It allows you to keep your balance well, while also keeping your body properly guarded against the cold, hard flooring. The exterior is made with eco-friendly pool cloth that can be removed for washing. The thick, durable foam ensures this mat can stand up to your most intense workouts. This mat folds into 4s instead of 3 sections. This helps make it less awkward to carry, and it can also be packed into or stored in areas where other folding mats may not fit as well. Giantex has designed these folding gymnastics mats so that multiple mats can be attached to cover a much larger area. If you have a larger gym or you like to exercise with a group, these mats could be the answer.